Comparing decimals. How to compare decimals. The process of comparing the values of digits in the same place value, starting at the far left because ones are greater than thousandths. So let's look at comparing decimals. We're looking at which one is greater, and we're looking at it as place values. So if we look, we're going to start at the left. If we look at the ones, I don't have any ones, the 0 ones, right? Then I have my decimal point. I have 4/10. They're the same on both sides. And then I still have 0 hundredths. So this answer is that they have the same value. So I would put an equal sign. Greater than or less than. I have 0.9 and 0.86. Which one is greater than and which one's less than? If I look at this and I'm comparing the place values. So first I'm going to start at my ones. I look at my ones. I have no numbers in my ones, zeros for both of them. Then I'm going to move to my 10th place. If I look at my 10th place, I have a 9 and an 8. Which one is greater than? If I look, 9 is greater than 8. So here, 0.9 is greater than 0.86. All right, let's try a different one. We're going to try this one that has numbers in the ones place. So we're going to compare these decimals. If I compare the eights, they're the same. So I'm going to move to my next place value, which is the tenths. If I look at the tenths show me that they are again matching. So now I need to move to the next place value. If I move to the next place value, I have a 3 and a 4. Which one is greater than? If I look, it would be my 4. 3 is greater than 4. So 8.537 is less than 8.541. All right, which food would need the least amount of time to prepare? So my hamburger would take 1.3 hours, my nachos 1.35 hours, and my hot dog 1.55 hours. Well, which one would take the least amount? If I look here, I have 1.3 hours. My hamburger would be the least. But let's look at it. 1.3 is the same as 1.30. So if I am comparing by place value and I line up my numbers by place value, if I compare the ones, they match. If I compare the threes and the 5, my 10th place, the 3's match, but the 5 does not. So now I've narrowed my answer down to which one takes the least amount of time, 1.3 and 1.35. But I know that there would be a 0 in that place of that 1.3, in that place value of hundredths. If I compare them, I'm going to look and 0 and 5. 0 would be the smaller number because remember, I'm looking for the least. Which one needs the least amount of time? All right, so now it's your turn to practice comparing decimals. So pause the video as you go through each question. Question number 1, 0.89. Compare it to 0.809. All right, question number 2, you're going to compare 4.006 to 4.61. Question number 3, again, pause the video so that you can answer these questions. 7.409 compared to 7.049. Remember, use your place value. Line the numbers up. look at the place value to determine which number is greater than the other number. All right. Question number 4, 2.701 compared to 2.7. Again, pause the video, use your place value. Line up your numbers by place value and then compare. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I also have other resources on Kahoot and Teachers Pay Teachers.